Okay, nandito naman tayo ng bago video ko. So ito na, dito tayo sa PowerPoint at gagawa tayo ng slam book. So, ay, tayo sa background muna. Tayo sa balance. Then, bayin natin yung kulay ng background. Right click, format background. Then, tayo sa fill, color. Hanap natin yung gray. This one, nice. So we're done changing the background color. Now let's proceed. Let's go to insert and then insert text box here. Then make it big as much as possible. And then pwede ko na kung gusto mo naman. So type the about myself. About myself. And then punta sa paragraph, click the center or Control plus E. So iba din natin yung font color. Ano mga gano'n. Ay, maganda-ganda yung sana. Sige. Yan ba to? Ha? Try ba yun? Then size ng font niya, ganyan natin 48, nice. Then yung color ng ano yung ganyan natin. Alright. Okay. So then insert this. Let's go to insert and let's insert sa first shape. So pili kayo ng i-insert nyo dito kung anong trip nyo, pero ang i-insert ko is ito. Para sa may information. So click to, punta kayo sa shape style and then click shape fill. Click no fill and then shape outline and then no outline. Diba parang wala. And then sa loob nito, isa lang. So let's insert again another text box. Insert and then text box in this loob niya. Yan, okay. Then type info about myself. Then let's change another the font style, size and then colors. Alright, so as you can see, I decided to change the background picture because this picture seems cool for me. So let's change the background in this tool. So ang hirap talaga mag-English, pero go to picture or texture fill, then insert and from a file browser. Kuha ang picture na smooth. So yun naman, nakita natin pala natin, and then dahil ayoko ng kulay na yan, yung picture lang talaga gusto ko, punta tayo sa glow, saan ba yun? Reflection, no, dito sa soap ed, then pa-disappear natin ng parang wala siya, pero nandun pa rin. Okay na, lagyan natin yung iba pa, no, and then lagyan natin yung logo ng Twitter. Palitin natin, palit pa. Lagyan natin yung logo kong Gmail. Gmail naman. Palitin natin ang palitin. Punta na tayo sa next slide. Kumabag na. Go to slide. Then click this one. So dyan meron akong bago. Okay, so tayo sa aking video. Parang movie. Tayo sa pangalawang page, punta tayo sa insert and then text box, and then lagay natin dito pangalan na natin. Punta naman tayo sa drawing, tapos sa fill, shape fill, no fill, and then shape outline, no outline, and then type dito my family. Rin dot kulay white. Yan, family naman. Tapos punta tayo sa paragraph, i-center natin siya, then ibigay natin font style niya ng modern dark, then yung size niya ng 38 54. Yan. Then yung background natin is gawin natin tulad ng kanina. Sa insert. Ay, wala na pala yun. Hanap lang tayo ng bago. Okay, nakapili na tayo ng background for our family. Then, mag-insert na tayo ng text boxes. Punta sa insert, text box, and then yan, and then copy lang natin siya. Control plus C, and then Control plus B. Apat. Lima. Ano yan? Wala. Then, pangalan natin my mother, my father, ganda muna natin yung kulay nila para makita natin. My sister, my brother, and then my little sister. So, ano, ayun na nga. Insert na natin yung figure family. Then, I-check na natin kung saan mabes nila. Ayusin natin. My brother. This is my sister. This is my little sister. Panganay. Pixie. Oh, yun. This is my mother, my beautiful mother. Father. This is my mother. Mga ano ng pagod mo tayo kasi magalang rin ang mga
Alright, we're done doing our second page of slam book or about myself something. Then let's move on. Let's create another page or slide. Let's go to slide and then click on slide for that, and then for this select this, then insert another text box and then name it me and my girlfriend. Charot. Me and my girlfriend. Ano ang nagawa dyan? Then muna natin ang kulay para makita natin. And then go to paragraph, click center, and then let's change the font size, and then color. Modern love, favorite dahil kay Fernan. Then size is 54. Me and my girlfriend. Then let's find another background for our third page. Now I already inserted our picture, me and my jowa. Uwi na siya. Then let's place it. This first picture is our first picture in, I think it's December 2016. We're just 2 months. And then this one is when we are in school and then break time. So we decided to take a picture. This one is our performance with PE. We just done some like basta. This one is just new. It's New Year. We celebrate together. This one is pictorial. We're classmates in senior high school and then sabay kaming pictorial. Classmate niya ako kasi binabantayan niya ako baka daw mababae ako. So we've been together for almost 51 months. And this one when we get swimming, let's ayusin natin. Alright, now we're done doing our slam book.